All car windows are expected to get an occasional crack or chip. Newsday.com shares a few do's and don'ts, if any show up on your car. Measure the crack or chip. If it's less than 12 inches long or if the chip is smaller than a quarter, the damage can usually be repaired instead of replaced. Protect against dirt. If needed, place a small piece of clear tape over the crack, making sure the tape doesn't block your vision. Stay away from the sun. Too much heat causes the crack to grow. It's best to park inside a garage or shady area. Don't blast your air conditioning or use your defroster on high. Extremes in temperature may cause more damage. Don't wash your vehicle because it can cause your windshield to crack even more. And of course, don't ignore the problem because small cracks can spread, and if they get longer than 12 inches or chips are larger than a quarter, you probably need your entire windshield replaced. When getting it repaired, trust a reputable company. Many scammers will do a shoddy job or recommend a windshield replacement that isn't needed, or both. Lastly, to help avoid window chips while driving, don't follow too closely. Even gravel-sized pebbles kicked up from the roadway can cause damage.
Thanks for watching our video. If you're not a do-it-yourself mechanic able to fix some of the things suggested in our car tips videos, go see the good folks at Klahanie Service Center in Issaquah.